Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HD01. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson HD01 won't turn on, it can be quite frustrating. This issue can occur due to a range of factors, such as a faulty power cable, a malfunctioning battery, or internal component failures. If left unaddressed, it may lead to further damage, making repairs more complicated and costly. To tackle this issue, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement power cable, and a pair of pliers. First, ensure your Dyson HD01 is unplugged from the mains for safety. Start by locating the screws that secure the casing. Using your screwdriver, carefully remove these screws, taking care to keep them safe as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the casing using your hands or a plastic tool to avoid damaging the surface. Inside, you should be able to see the power cable connected to the main unit. Look for any signs of wear or damage. This is often the culprit behind the device not turning on. If you find a frayed cable, it's time to replace it. Disconnect the old cable by unscrewing any screws holding it in place and carefully unplugging it from the connector. Be mindful of other components nearby. Take your time to avoid any accidental damage. Once the old cable is removed, take your new power cable and connect it in the same way the old one was attached. Make sure it is secure and correctly positioned. After everything is in place, it's time to reassemble your Dyson. Gently close the casing, ensuring no wires are pinched or caught in the sides. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them just enough to hold everything snugly without stripping the threads. Now, plug your Dyson HD01 back in and test the power. If it turns on, congratulations! You've successfully completed the repair. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this problem from happening again, make sure to regularly inspect your power cable for any signs of damage and avoid yanking it when unplugging your device. Keeping the device clean can also help maintain its performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.